Vanguard window comes in 6 different wood grain interiors and 2 solid interior design colors. The wood grains on this window are going to be very authentic looking. Painter's white interior. This window is going to have a nice white finish, so it works very well on white interiors. They're going to have unlimited options on the exterior, but the standard colors are going to be everything from white to an antique brown. They have a lifetime transferable warranty on them. Then you're going to have premium colors, which are painted. They have a 20-year warranty on them. If you have to match a color on the house, they can paint it, and the paint is warranted for 20 years.